The giant blue-green globe of Uranus is big enough to swallow the Earth 64 times over. It has a strong magnetic field, a family of at least 27 moons, and after Saturn, the most impressive system of rings in the solar system. Beneath its smooth-looking, almost featureless exterior, Uranus is essentially a fluid world. An atmosphere rich in hydrogen thickens imperceptibly, with no discernible break between gas and liquid, into a worldwide ocean where water and methane predominate. Uranus is a giant planet, 4 times the diameter of the Earth, but it is so far away that it is all but invisible to the naked eye. So although the planets in the solar system out to Saturn have been known since antiquity, Uranus was not discovered until 1781. Its discovery doubled the dimensions of the known solar system, but astronomers knew little of this huge world until the Voyager 2 probe passed within 51,000 miles of it on January 24, 1986, almost 2 centuries after its discovery. The images sent back by Voyager 2 were somewhat surprising. No surface details of Uranus can be seen from Earth, but even close up, Voyager could see only a featureless blue-green globe. The planet has none of the strikingly colored atmospheric bands typical of Saturn and Jupiter, even though, like these two worlds, its atmosphere is composed almost entirely of hydrogen and helium. Voyager 2 did show that the atmosphere on Uranus has a band-like structure, but it can only be seen clearly in high-contrast false-colored images. Uranus is so cold that its clouds form very low down, their colors hidden from view by the blue-green atmosphere above them. The interior of Uranus is also unlike those of Saturn and Jupiter, which consists mainly of hydrogen. Its density is higher, a sign that heavier gases and the liquid are present. Although Uranus is often called a gas giant, its actual composition is almost certainly mainly liquid. Hydrogen makes up only 15% of the planet's mass, compared with more than 80% of Jupiter's, and almost all of it is in the atmosphere. Uranus probably has a rocky core, surrounded by an ocean of water, liquid methane, and liquid hydrogen. The ocean, hot under the prevailing pressure, gradually blends into the atmosphere. Like all the other gas giants, Uranus has no distinct surface to separate the points at which air becomes ground. The rings of Uranus were first seen in 1977, when the planet passed in front of a background star. The star appeared to flicker as it went behind the planet, a sign that something was blocking its light. Earthbound telescopes detected a total of 9 rings. The Voyager 2 mission found 2 more. They are all very narrow and dark, typically as black as coal, and like those of Saturn, the material they are made of ranges in size from dust specks to rocky lumps up to 30 feet across. The innermost ring, designated 1986 U2R by astronomers, is about 24,000 miles from the center of Uranus. The outermost and brightest ring, Epsilon, is around 6,000 miles farther out.